Welcome to another update on Tropical Cyclone Donna, which remains a Category 3 system. Tropical Cyclone Donna was located 12.5 degrees south, 168.1 degrees east. This is about 160 kilometres north-northeast of Vanua Lava and 295 kilometres north of Maewo. The system is moving in a west-northwest direction at 15 kilometres an hour over the last 3 hours. Central pressure is estimated at 966 hectopascals and winds close to the centre are estimated at 90 kilometres an hour, gusting to 130 kilometres an hour. Severe tropical cyclone Donna is forecasted to be 12.6 degrees south, 166.9 degrees east within the next 6 to 12 hours. Now this particular chart is the cloud top and cooling. Latest satellite view of Donna. And she's looking a lot more healthier than what she was early. The A50 millibars of vorticity, and look at that yellow to the red to the pinkish right. And I'm keeping a close eye on the Solomon Island region. This is the upper level of divergence. And the latest tracks on Donna. And look at those outliners again. Unfortunately, the tracks have been all over the place. Let's see what they're like in 24 hours. Joint Typhoon Warning Centre latest track chart. And it's still got the entire New Caledonia area within the forecast cone. A50, correction. This is the tropical cyclone formation probability, and look at that little bit of purple to the east of Bougainville. Storm weather to 16 kilometre geostationary water vapour imagery. And there's this scale at the bottom. Now this is one of 3 models that we look at, and it's out to 240 hours. And look at the purple. I'd say that would be heavy rain. Now this is another model look at Donna. And one can ask how low is Tropical Cyclone Donna going to get central pressure. Now this is a look at the Solomon Island loop. Now this is one or two models by Windy on the system over the next 6 days. Very destructive hurricane force winds of 125 kilometers an hour, gusting to 185 kilometers an hour, will affect Torba, Panama in the next 12 hours. And as mentioned, Tropical Cyclone Donna is currently moving in a west-northwest direction at 15 kilometers an hour and should be located 12.6 degrees south, 166.9 degrees east within the next 6 to 12 hours. And within 48 hours, 12.8 south, 166.3 degrees east. Very destructive winds, very rough to phenomenal seas. Heavy swells will affect Torba, Panama, Sama and Malampa. Heavy rainfall flash flooding is also expected over low-lying areas close to the riverbanks, and coastal flooding is also expected. And the latest NOAA floaters on Category 3 Cyclone Donna. And the wind shear is to increase to Donna's west. Tropical systems love the area in blue to green, but becomes less unfavourable in the other colours. The wind shear looks a little bit more healthier to its west.
You can follow Force 13 on any of our many outlets, the website force13.com and its tracker. Of course, we're on YouTube, you're probably watching us there, but if not, there it is. You can also find us on Facebook, search Force 13, all in text, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, also all in text. You can also add Fool 13 on Skype and add extension 9094 on Discord.